Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Microsoft Store not opening. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to go to Windows PowerShell and make sure to run as admin. And you need to put this command here. I will leave this command in the video description below. And after that, look if the problem persists after that. If the problem persists, then you just need to go to Microsoft Store, right click on it and then app settings. Wait for a couple of seconds, press on terminate, then press on repair, and then press on reset. And then look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then you need to write run, and then you just need to write wsreset.exe here. And wait until Microsoft Store will open up. And look if the problem persists after that. If it's not working, then go and click the link in the description below and download a Windows basically ISO file here. Select Windows 11 here, press download now. Wait for a couple of seconds, then select option and select whatever language you want. And wait for a couple of seconds and download the thing here. And wait until download process here is done. It will take a couple of minutes. Once the file is downloaded, right click on it and press on mount and wait until it loads up. It can take up to 1 minute, then you just need to press open here. And again, you need to wait. Then what you need to do here is to press Reset-AppxPackage and wait until it boots up, right? Then press next and wait again. Then you need to press accept and wait again. And then you just need to make sure that you keep your personal files and apps. I suggest you to just keep personal files only and delete the apps. Maybe you have some glitch on Microsoft Store, to be fully sure. But if you don't want to delete all your games, all your apps, everything here, then you can stick with keep personal files and apps. And then you just need to install it, Windows 11, right? And it should fix your problem. So that's pretty much it.